In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch YouTube Kids without creating an account. First, open up your MacBook, head over to your browser of your choice, and look up YouTube Kids. Once you are here, just click YouTube Kids. It should be youtubekids.com. Then click I'm a parent. As long as you are over the age of 18, you can create a profile. If you are a kid watching this video, just ask your parents to do this for you. Click I'm a parent, then just click next. Then just enter the year you were born. I was born in 2007. Then click submit.
Now you can sign in and create a profile for each.
And then watch this quick video. There it is. Then just click next and then sign in with your parents' account. So I'm just going to skip this for now, then agree, and then you can choose the contact experience for your child. For this video, I'm just going to be doing younger, and then I'm going to select. I'm also going to be turning on search, and then you can go through all the protection settings within YouTube Kids to determine like what would be best for your children, for example. So I'm just going to allow search on, and then I'm going to go next, and then done. That just gave you all the information. And there we go. We are now able to watch YouTube Kids without creating an account.